little camper van, we roam the open road. Just a dad and daughter creating memories as they unfold. Through the summer sun we laugh and we explore. To the winter wonderland, I love you even more. Oh, Amika, my darling.
Swimming costumes on, ready to go swimming.
Ready to go swimming. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're going to go to the pool, aren't we? We're going to try and find a pool. First thing we're going to do is going to go to the laundrette. There's a laundrette in the local town, apparently. It's got proper washing machines as well, not these like commercial looking ones. So they're like house washing machines, so it should wash the clothes very well. Apparently you just hand it over to the lady. It's €5.50 and you can come back and pick it up whenever. Yeah, we'll get the laundry done, washing and drying. We'll go to the pool while that's being done. We'll come back and then pick that up and then go and find somewhere to park for the evening, won't we?
Yeah.
But here's beautiful, isn't it? Look at it. Wow.
We parked here last night.
A few cars turned up now because obviously it's a hiking car park, and up that way is a walk that takes you up all of these mountains. They don't look as big because I'm actually zoomed out, but they are pretty big mountains. So yeah, right, let's go to the laundry. Okay, we made it to the pool. You're being your cutest.
Yeah. How cute.
So am I.
You're not. You're being your weirdest.
Welcome to Germany when nobody locks their bikes.
Hey, can I take this flower bike?
No, that one's locked. So there's an indoor pool,
Yeah.
and then the outdoor pool. Look at the mountain.
Oh, no.
That's cool, isn't it? Come on then, let's find a spot.
For the last few hours of the day, we've been outside with this wonderful view in water.
In water.
Yep.
Swimming.
And how many stars out of 10 was that pool?
Oh, that was an easy 10.
Yeah.
Wasn't it? Slides, floats, everything.
Slide,
How much was it? It was €6 for both of us, I think. Was it €6 or $5.50?
I think it was like 650.
$6.50. No, $6.50. You got $5.50 change. That's right. Yeah, so really cool. Really cheap, wasn't it? For what we got.
We got floats as well. He tried to kill me.
That was good.
Really? He made me drink in water that people peed in. Oh, it's true.
Fair enough. So I think we've only got about 30 minutes left. We was going to have a shower, but the showers were open. So Amika would have had to have come in with me, which isn't really...
Good.
Yeah, it's not ideal, is it? At all. There's the van. There's the van. How long have we got left on the ticket then? I think I reckon we've only got about 15:39, half an hour.
Half an hour of playing.
That is a hat van.
Well, did you know? A fact for everybody, even you guys. If you have a vehicle that is a dark colour, including that vehicle and this one that we are in right now, or are going to go in, the hotter the colour of metal is, no,
The darker.
the darker the colour of metal is, the hotter it will get quicker. It will get hot quicker. There you go.
Hold on. Kevin at 4.
You hurt me enough.
You hurt yourself. Here, take your teeth rotting juice.
Thanks.
While I make sure that I haven't lost anything important. Van key, bank cards that are just casually just lying in the back of here.
Money.
I've lost that.
No.
Don't know where that is. Right, let's get everything out of there. Put it in this pocket. Yeah, so we was going to have a shower in there. It was, take advantage of a free shower, basically. But unfortunately, they were open. I don't understand it. Germany's got like these mega strict privacy laws, right? Where you can't do this and you can't do that. You can't film people. You can't put other people on social media and all that sort of stuff. But you can have a shower in front of people. It's not a problem. Not that I've got an issue with that, but, a father and a young child at Amika's age, nah, not good. Right, what's it like in here? Ooh, it's hot. It is hot in here. It's 41 degrees in here. There we go, 41.1 degrees and 28 outside. So we've just been to this supermarket called Amika. They're everywhere in Germany. It's a pretty normal shop. But they have a really good like fresh fruit selection and veg. And they have lots of different food in there that you can't really get in. You can't get it in Aldi anyway. So we've got some pretzels. These things, these green laces, I used to have when I was a kid. So we've just got some of those to have a go. Amika's a kid. And very exciting, I've just got some Bitburger, alcohol-free, lemon flavour, and also, check this out, herb. I've got some herb. So I'm looking forward to trying those in a bit. They'll be decent. Right, we're gonna go and try and find somewhere to park. The lady who does the laundry didn't speak English, so we communicated in German and English, which was quite difficult. I think she said, I kept saying I'll be back at 6, and she kept pointing saying 6:30 is when she closes, and I was saying I'll come at 6, and she kept saying 6:30 on the sign. So I think what she was saying is don't come early, come late. So I fear now if we go and try and pick it up now, it won't be ready. So I think what we'll do is we're going to try and find a park up, not a park up, just somewhere to stop the van. We'll get some lunch on the go because it's 4:30 and we've not had lunch, I don't think. Oh, we did. We had nibbles at the park, at the pool, didn't we? We had some salami.
Salami, popcorn,
Ice cream, yeah, and I had a cake as well, didn't I? So we have eaten, but we've probably not eaten enough. So what we'll do now is we'll go and find somewhere to park, get some food on the go, and then we'll go and get our laundry. Okay, so we've come back to the same place we stopped last night because it was amazing. It's totally quiet, really beautiful. And then just got Amika's bike out. We're going to go for a run. I'm going to run into the village, which is absolutely beautiful, and then run along the west side of the river, which is totally flat. I'm going to run down until I get tired and then come back. Probably do about 7 or 8 kilometres. Nothing too far because I've been at the pool all day under the sun, so I just want to get a last little bit of sun, get a run done, and I don't feel guilty for not doing it. And just enjoy being outside and the beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful here. So a couple of campers here tonight. Apparently Tuesday, which is the 15th, is a national Orthodox holiday in Bavaria. I seem to remember it last year. I think that's when we drove all the way to the outdoor camping shop and it was closed. So everything will be shut on Tuesday. You need to remember that. Everything will be shut on Tuesday. So yeah, the whole area is absolutely rammed. So most people apparently, according to the guys next to us in the camper, who are German, live in Munich, which is in Bavaria, have told us everything's shut, and most people have booked Monday off. So they'll travel down today, which is obviously Friday. They'll be here Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night, and then they'll travel back on Tuesday if they haven't taken more time off. So yeah, all good. Right, I'm gonna get sorted and go for a run. Hello, you. They're just chilling on the fence. Hello. Beautiful. Help.
Oh, that was a cute dog.
Yeah.
Wait.
People are just sunbathing down here, look, by the river.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Let's go. Hopefully these friendly cows. No. Yeah, it's because they're bulls, that's why.
Oh no.
They're fine. No, they're absolutely fine. Don't worry about them. Just keep walking. Just stay next to me. They'll only do something if you do something that scares them. Yeah? So just keep walking. Can you stay with me? All you've got to do is just keep going. That's it, done. All right? It is boiling. 30 degrees today. So I saw this trail that goes down the river and I figured, since I'm still pretty unfit, since I'm unfit, totally unfit, I figured the best thing to do is just run on flat. So we are going uphill obviously because the river's going that way, but when we turn around we'll be coming downhill. There is a trail up there by the woods, so I might do that one back. And again I might not. The pizza that I've just had is saying don't do that. So let's go with what the pizza says. Set. Good girl. Okay, you hold on to the side. I'll push it across. Done.
Can you go where the flattest?
Trying to. Yeah. You mean run where they are?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's hard work, this is. It's hot. It's really just feels like it's hard to breathe. Wow. Look how clear the water is, Amika.
Oh.
That is probably the cleanest and clearest water I've ever seen. I actually would love to get in that, but I bet it's Baltic since it's coming off those mountains and there is snow up there. What do you reckon to that? Yeah?
I have got my swimming costume on.
Yeah?
Yeah, look.
Oh, yeah. It's crazy because this clear water then goes like a blue colour when it goes down there. So I'm guessing that the stone that's underneath that water is some sort of lime or whatever it is getting disturbed and then washed away. That's my geological assessment. Let's have a quick look. Any snakes here? I am terrified of snakes, honestly. Yeah, look at it. Let's get on the bench where we're safe. It actually is a different colour. It's not just the white rocks under it, it's a totally different colour. Anyway, let's keep going. I know you guys all think that she's fearless, but honestly, it takes a lot of hard work, it takes a lot of patience. She is a whinge bag. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Oh God, wait for me then. Right, good girl. Maybe this is a road, so keep to the other side, swap sides. Yeah, good girl. It's hard work. This way, over the bridge, and then we'll go back round, yeah? Right, let's carry on. Are you ready? Are you ready, Jesus?
No.
Ready?
No.
There's a little church thing up there.
Oh yeah, can we go check that out?
Yeah. Let's be quick because there's flies and stuff there.
Oh, and there's a slug. Hi, can I see?
Yeah, come on then.
Oh, the slug's everywhere.
Here we go. Now it's smooth. So this run's a bit of a disaster because, well, the good thing is we found a smooth trail, which makes it less difficult for Amika. But wow, flies. I've killed 3 horseflies so far that have attacked us. A couple of mosquitoes. And she just had a fly in her eye. Thing is, to get onto this smooth trail, we had to go, it's out and back, so we had to go out. The plan was 5k out, 5k back. But in order to get to this trail, we had to cross the river, which was another 1.5k. So we've done 7.5k, and now we've got to do that back. You're right, yeah. Well done. Hello. Just put my t-shirt on because she's freezing. It's gotten colder now. Obviously the sun drops behind that mountain. So we're almost 12k. I feel okay. Do feel worn out, but I don't feel too bad. But my feet are killing. So my legs. But we've done a lot of hill walking, so right, let's carry on. I think we just found some horses. Might be cows. Might be cows. Or it might be nothing. Careful. Sheep. Sheep with bells. Or goats. Let's hope something's open to get a drink and we can walk back. Look how blue that is. So the shop that I thought was open is actually a restaurant, so I'm not going to bother going there because it'll be a fortune, but we found a well. Sweaty hands.
Ew. What a weirdo you are.
When you're that thirsty, it's fresh water anyway, it's nice. Very fresh.
Fresh from that moss down there.
Perfect. Let's carry on.
Hi.
Hi. It's beautiful. 1903 it's had on it. Wow, that's 120 years old. Keep trying, mate, but you ain't getting in. Try all you like. There's loads of them, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is so many of them. Look at them all. This way, guys. This way.